Good morning, it's Paul. It is April 1, All Fool's Day, 2019. This is the start of the second quarter. Wow, interesting. Okay, well, let's see what's going on in the marketplace. Go back a couple of days because let's see, we've got Monday, Sunday, and Saturday to look at today. So we'll see what's going on here. Get this straightened out. And this straightened out. Okay, so today we've got a 1-story, 1,700 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2-bath house, $262,995. No pool, spa, built in 2003. See what kind of a deal this looks like. Oh, not too shabby. Nice and clean inside. Tile counters. Looks like somebody's going to get a good deal there. Let's see, where is this house? In Clayton. Okay. Way up there. Alright. It's good for the people who want to live in the Northwest. There's a lot of good stuff going on up in here. Good deal. Let's see, what do we got here? 3.2 million. No pictures. That's too bad. 5,400 square feet. 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, car garage, pool, spa, built in 18. So that's a relatively new house. So where are we looking at here? Okay, McDonald Highlands. Okay. Alright. It's too bad there's no pictures. Bad, bad, bad. Okay, so Sunday. Manufactured home. 81,982 square feet. Built in 78. No pictures on that one either. Owens and Pecos. Okay. Okay. Sunday stuff. Looks like this is it. 1.4 million. This came on the market yesterday. 4,883 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, 4-car garage. Pool, spa, built in 94. Okay, got a good picture there, whatever that is. Interesting. Looks like RV parking or garages are back there. 3 separate garages. Interesting property. Long ways from the garage to the house. Big kitchen. There's the spa and the outdoor living area, and there's the pool. Okay. Alright, so where are we here? Alpine Desert Inn, okay. Up down there. Okay. Let's see, so Saturday. And this little guy here. 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo, 1,181 square feet. Nice clean condo. Complex. Interesting. Okay. That's That's it. Craig and Ellis. Right by the Air Force Base, okay? So, Saturday, 163 between Saturday and today. 2.2 million, 5,571 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 5 baths, pool, spa, 1 story, built in 80. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's a church. Means it must be commercially zoned. Or something. Yeah. Look at it. That's totally awesome. All set up. Wonder why they're selling it. Huh. Large piece of property. Looks like it's got a compound in it. What does it say here? It says, established worship sanctuary for sale. The property sits on 2 lots, 3.5 acres. Wow. Interesting. Zoning commercial or single family. So we are St. John or South Jones and Sahara. Wow. Amazing. Alright, so that goes there. Under contract. A lot of stuff closed. 389 properties under contract. How many sold? Okay, so this is on Friday. 1 reported from Friday. I think that was Friday. No, that was yesterday. Okay. This one sold. Look, it needs to be refurbished. $200,000, 1492 square feet. And it is Alta. Okay. See, that was yesterday, so we'll go into Saturdays here. Single family home. Okay. 245, 1519 square feet, built in 69. Sand Hill and Harmon. Okay. Saturday. 2-story. What was going to be built out there? Nice house. When was it built? 2018, brand new, long cadence. Okay. All right, $380,000 for a 2,300 square foot house. And then Pirates Cove. Nice pool. Pretty original property here. 78,000. Right there. 95. Okay, then the 29th, the 29th. A lot of stuff on Friday. Wow. It's 150. 175. 200. 225. 250. Wow. Okay, here we are. 334 properties between Friday and today. That is incredible. 2.9 million, 5,800 square feet, 5 bedrooms. Built in 15. Oh. There we go. Pretty fancy. Indoor-outdoor living area. Theater. Sports court. That'd be for the complex. Pretty nice. Okay, here in Seven Hills. Huh. Interesting. Huh. It's got the... It is interesting. Looks like it all is part of the sale. 3.2 million. That's pretty cool. All right. Well, we're almost 13 minutes, so we'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.